be where the people are. Wish I could I see them dancing. Yeah. Okay, so I've been wanting to try this red color for a very long time. It's like a mixture of ginger, copper, and now that we have a black Ariel, it's like, come on. Not that black people haven't been rocking red hair, we have been, and there are actually black people that naturally have red hair. Actually went to school with a girl in secondary school or primary school in Nigeria who naturally had red hair. She didn't dye her hair, so miss me with that, with all these people talking about like you can't have a black Ariel. Like, yes we can, and we do. Yay. Anyways, so before we get into the video showing you the wig and where I got it from, I'd like you to take this moment to please like, subscribe, share my content with all your loved ones, and also people that you don't like as well. I don't care, I just appreciate the support. So I'm just gonna wait awkwardly and give you guys a moment to like and share it and all of that. You can comment below whatever you want. Okay, thank you. Okie dokie. So I got this hair off of Amazon. I didn't want to spend money on good quality hair or like human hair because there was a possibility that I would not like this red hair. Again, this is just an experiment. I wanted to try it out first and I didn't want to spend coin on it. This is because I don't like it. Well, I wouldn't feel as bad as you know, spending $100 or a few $100s. This was, I cannot remember, but I'll put the link in the description box below to the wig that I bought. But anyways, this is the packaging. It is from Siren Swan. This packaging that it came in. It's my first time opening it. Oh wow, look at this color. Oh my god, yes. Yes, I think this is a good choice. Oh man, I wish I kind of spent more money on it. But nah, this is dope. I love this color. Oh. Okay, I mean, it's clearly and definitely synthetic hair. It's gonna be shedding a lot. It's gonna be a lot of static. But other than that, it feels, this is long too. Okay, this is very long. Like it, let's do that again. That's long. The scalp itself is very light-skinned. Definitely not for people with my skin color chocolate. So I'm gonna have to paint over it with some brown makeup. And I did spend like 20 something, 30 something dollars on this, so I'm not really complaining. I like the dark roots. I love that it has the dark roots. Yay, I think this is a good purchase. Oh god. This is, I'm not gonna wear this often. This is gonna be like a, I mean, not that I go out anyways. I've become one of those I'm one of those ladies in their 30s that, you know, I have the intention to go out, but I just don't have people to go out with. A lot of my friends have moved out of my state. So yeah, it's getting a bit lonely. I need to make friends. Well, let's not get into that. Okay. Here's the parting as well. It's a center part, so I definitely would have to pluck the middle. So I'll show you guys what that looks like after I've done all the plucking. It is, yeah, full. This is it. All right, let's put it on. And now let's try and put it on to see what it looks like. Again, it comes with the normal 3 combs, side, side, and back. I mean. This color is amazing. The density is high. I'm not used to having density this high. Yeah, ladies and some gentlemen, this is the look. Hello. You know, we're red hair. I like red hairs. Come. I don't even know what to say. This is cute. This is cute. I'm feeling this. Ooh, I'm feeling this. Oh my goodness. I want to go out and do a photo shoot. And the weather is great. Oh my goodness. I am going apple picking tomorrow. This might be the hair that I'm going to wear tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so clearly I need to pluck here and then also color the lace because it needs a bit of melanin. I'll also pluck this area as well so that it's more natural. Yeah, I kind of want to go show my husband downstairs real quick. And then I'll pluck here, color it, and then I'll come back. I'll show you guys. But let me know what you think already about this color because me, I like it. I love it. Oh. Yes. So I'm back. And I plucked and colored the lace. So this is what it looks like now. Big difference. Actually, let's just push this wig cap back a little. There we go. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. I'm gonna secure it with a comb. I don't think this wig actually has a wig band. It's just a comb to secure it. But there you go, look at that. I think that blends quite nicely. What do you guys think? It sheds like crazy. But that's what happens when you buy cheap. But now that I know what color this is, and I will put it up here somewhere, one of these places, I don't know. I'll put the color this is, so whenever I do get an expensive wig in this color, yeah. But I like this, I really do. Alright, let me show you guys how long it is. I'll show you a full length view of this. Alright, just to show you guys the hair. This is how long it is. You know, I don't think I've actually ever worn hair this long before. Yeah, so it's about this long. This is probably what, like 22, 24 inches, something like that. What do you guys think? You know, I could totally be Ariel for Halloween this year. Part of your world. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this color. Is this something that you would try on yourself? Let's just keep the conversation going in the comment section. That's right, the comment section. Until then, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.